Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden, here to take you through today's market action. The S&P and NASDAQ continue all-time high runs, with all major indices closing higher. However, small caps were the biggest winners, seen in the Russell's gains at 2/3%. Looking at the sectors, materials rallied 1%, while tech gained 0.5%. As for the laggards, energy stood out after it sold off 1% on the session. Tech led stock movers today, with Intel and AMD closing out as two of the top S&P performers on reports of a new deal. Semaphore says Intel is in early talks to make AMD a foundry customer. It's not known how much of AMD's manufacturing could move to Intel if a deal is reached. The report adds that there's no guarantee of an agreement. Stocks tied to AI saw added momentum after OpenAI reached a whopping $500 billion valuation following a share sale to investors. That milestone makes the ChatGPT parent the most valued private company. It comes as OpenAI penned a preliminary deal with South Korean tech giants Samsung and SK Hynix to build out Stargate data centers. And Tesla's record third-quarter deliveries weren't enough to impress the street. The stock initially rallied before closing down 5% on the session. Tesla made over 497,000 vehicle deliveries against 456,000 estimates, helped in part by customers rushing to buy EVs before the federal tax credit expired. Tesla also reported a record high in its energy business. The stock is still close to 70% higher year over year, despite today's sell-off. September's non-farm payrolls print will likely be delayed as the U.S. government shutdown stretches on. PMI composite and ISM services data is set to report in the morning. For now, that'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel.